Hi, I'm Ali, and in today's video, I thought I would share with you how to get rid of and reduce those mouth lines with facial massage. We're going to do some great massage exercises and then finishing off with an all-important lymphatic drainage release. So first things first, I like to start off with clean skin, and then I'm going to use a little bit of facial oil here. Now this is a rosehip one. I also quite enjoy using castor oil time to time. You can also use your favourite face cream. We just want something so we've got a bit of slip and glide so we're not compromising the skin by dragging and pulling at it. So first of all, just applying to the fingers and then just gently from almost the jawline and the chin area all along by the side of the mouth, not forgetting above the lips as well, those potential smoker lines, and towards the nostrils. And then where we tend to get those smile lines and marionette lines as well. So with the fingers, I'm first of all working in an upwards motion and just doing some gentle facial tapping. Now what we're doing here, we're really helping with blood flow and circulation to the area. If you have long nails, you can always use your knuckles. Not forgetting above those lips as well, those potential smoker lines. And then with the fingers, I'm just gently massaging in a round circular motion from the chin, slightly further out, and then working my way upwards towards the nose and the nostrils. Not forgetting also, again, above the lips, round circular motion. Now we're going to do a really great massage, a really quite deep massage now. And this is going to be from the nostrils coming along and down. So almost sort of by the cheekbone and down where those smile lines are going to be. So I'm placing my finger with one hand as an anchor, taking my other fingers and I'm just gently massaging in an upwards motion towards the nostril here. I like to start off light and then get in a little bit deeper. So again, just working along, releasing any tension within this muscle. If you can use two fingers, although one finger you can probably get in there a bit better. And then on the other side, finger as an anchor, taking our other finger and then just very gently start with a gentle massage in an upwards motion. And then go in a little bit deeper. And then again, just lifting up with the fingers. And then glide under the cheekbone towards the ears, lower parts of the face. Now when it comes to above the lips here, I'm just taking my fingers and I'm just working, almost in a flicking motion, horizontally. We tend to get these smoker lines above the lips, which tend to be vertical, so you want to work against that. Really smoothing everything out here. And then just gently massage. Releasing any tight fascia within this area. And then again, slight flicking motion. So now I'm taking my fingers and I'm starting from the chin and I'm going to just finger on each hand and I'm now working in lots of different directions. A light massage. And again, what we're doing here is we're helping release any tight fascia within the mouth area. Making sure the rest of the face is nice and relaxed as well. And I like to work in an upwards motion. And on the other side. We're also helping with elastin as well, and we're also promoting collagen within the skin, particularly if you have older skin. I'm in my mid-50s, so obviously everything starts to sort of slow up, so you want to sort of stimulate that collagen. And then working upwards and out again. And again, whatever products you've placed onto your skin is going to penetrate in even better and deeper. So again, lifting up and working out. Now, where the chin is here, we have a great acupressure point. So I'm just placing my finger, just gently tapping, helping the lower part of the mouth. And then where our lips are, just where the corners are, again, a great acupressure point. So just very gentle tapping or pulsating press. Nice and light. And then we have another one between the nose and the mouth. Again, just gently giving that a press. And then again, lifting up and just gently massaging it out. And then just gliding along from the nostrils, under the cheekbones, lower part of the face, outwards motion towards the ears. And this is a very light, delicate touch. And what we're doing here, we're helping with blood flow and circulation, but also moving toxins and waste within the lymph. And the lymph is very close to the surface of the skin, so only a little delicate touch is needed. And then with the side of the ears at the front, just very gently glide down the front with your fingers where we have plenty of lymph nodes, and then also behind the ears. And then just down the big SCM muscle down to the collarbone. Always want to swallow while I'm doing this part. And then on the other side, again from the front of the ear, gently gliding just to release all the toxins and waste from the mouth and the lower part of the face, and then behind the ear, and then down the big SCM muscle down to the collarbone. And then I always like to finish off with a final lymphatic drainage release. It's really important, particularly if you've done any facial massage or any face yoga or any lymphatic drainage, if you like. So from the chin all the way down where our collarbone is, we just have some indentations. And if you can just give those a few gentle presses, and this will release all the toxins and waste that move within this mouth, lower part of the facial area into the body, ready for elimination. So I will place another video here. If you'd like to join me there, that would be great. And I really hope you enjoyed today's video and found it useful. Also, please consider subscribing and comment down below. Tell me where you're from and if you found this video useful, or if there's any other facial massage techniques or face yoga you'd like me to share with you. And I really look forward to seeing you in the next one. Okay, bye.